Good afternoon to all. It is my immense pleasure to invite all the dignitaries on the dais. They have come here to give the knowledge of today's program, that is Swachhata Pakhwada second day. Now they are doctors. They are our protectors. Like in our country is protected by whom? Soldiers. Like that, there are so many enemies surrounding us. So these persons will protect us from the virus, bacteria, everything. So if you listen to them, if you follow them, it is good. Otherwise also they have solution for the problems. Now let me welcome first Dr. Srikanth Garu, RBSK Medical Officer, Kagaj Nagar. Madam Vivekavardhini Garu, she is RBSK Medical Officer, and Sarita Madam Pharmacist. So these dignitaries are working in the RBSK, that is known as Rashtriya Balya Swasthya Karyakram. It is a state government program. They are doing this work last 5 years in the Kagaj Nagar, and they are enhancing the 4 Ds. What are the 4 Ds? Birth deficiency and delayed development deficiencies and diseases. For the children, Anganwadi, like that, they go and they protect us. So I welcome once again Dr. Srikanth Garu, Vivekavardhini Madam, Sarita Madam, Pharmacist. Now on the day of Raksha Bandhan, we observed that so many Rakis we tied up, and as token of gift we gave some small chocolate. As you know, everyone thrown the chocolate wrapper there and we went. So when the government called us in 2014 on the day of October 2nd for the Swachh Bharat. Is it Swachh Bharat? Swachh Bharat means before cleaning, first we avoid making under it. So that we are not doing. For the last 9 years approximately, nothing is done. It should come in our brain. Otherwise it is not possible. Suppose if you go to outside, we lock our door, isn't it? We lock our door and we go. When we get inside, we have two options. We can use key or we can use hammer or stone to open the lock. Which one we use? Why not that hammer? Why not hammer? Prevention is better than cure. After getting some disease, if you try or if you run to doctor, it is better, it should be prevented early. And doctors are incarnation of God. Doctors are incarnation of God. They protect us. And if we follow some, as you know that last 3 years or 4 years ago, Corona attacked us. Because of their contribution, their service and their life-threatening challenge only, we were here, now we are celebrating this program. Otherwise everything is collapsed. So because of all the things, and you know some noodle shop is there in the bus stand. We eat very interestingly that noodles. You know how they prepared. The person how many days ago he bathed, and how much hygienic he is following. How many days ago that tumbler is cleaned. What oil he is using. If you know all the things, even though 2000 rupees is given to you, you won't eat. So that is the situation outside food. And cleanliness and purity, though these two are different. Cleanliness means if you go on cleaning, it will become pure. Pure is the highest percentage of cleanness. If we eat that things, definitely health is damaged. That oil, waste oil, and days together it is going on boiling. That is not good for health. As per Ayurveda, whatever we eat, it converts into rasa, then it goes into rakta, then mamsa, then majja, then oja, then virya, then last stage oja and teja. 7 stages of food cycle. So what we are eating, we must concentrate these 7 stages. If we are eating ugly things, the 7th stage, which is oja, means our activity, it will become dull. So these are the things you have to take care and follow the guidelines given by government, because government never come to every person. It will give, it form some projects like this. If you participate actively, then only our target or their target is completed. Otherwise, it will be same.